So material to use for this DIY cake board, you have your gum, though we already have this board, but you can use any of your waste cartons, noodles carton, apple carton, whatever. You have your ruler here, scissors, and knife to do the cutting of the board, because the boards are quite sturdy. And here we have the sticker that we'll use on the board, so stay tuned. Pleasant morning, welcome to Fidi Bakery. Today I'll be showing you a DIY. I'm making use of this. Nowadays do it yourself is the in thing. So now I'll measure, take this edge out. I'll use my ruler now. I'm using 10.5. I've outlined them, so I will have to cut them out. So here now I have so let's go ahead and gum them together. Okay, so here I have it. So now I want to place this on it. I have to place a weight on it so it stays down. So I have this. So I will leave this. So welcome back. Here I have the sticker that I'm going to use on the board. Yes, so here is already, I want 1.5 from here. Yes, so I've gotten what I need gently. Here we have the board. Doesn't end here. We are now going to make use of this so that it would cover this. We need to do it nicely. Here we're still going to make use of the gum, so we'll put the gum here. Use brush to do this, but because I didn't mix it, I'm using it. It's very thick. Ensure you wipe your hands once you are done with it, and then wash after you have dipped in your hand in adhesive. So we go here. So here we have a DIY cake board. See how it's neatly done. You can do this yourself too as a baker, or do you know that you can even make this as a source of income? Yes, to start something. But ensure that whatever you are using, please make sure it is neat and clean. Whenever you're using any of those cartons, waste cartons, ensure that the cartons you are using are clean, and you make sure that you clean them properly before you make use of them. Thank you once again for watching. Your pocket friendly bakery, baking happiness for you. Bye.